Karbi Students Association unit formed at Gandhipur on 3rd January. Joyram Ingling officially granted the title of village headman in a traditional way. Huge quantity of illegal capsules and syrup seeds at Dokmoka during a search operation at Dokmoka. Hello viewers, good morning and welcome to KAL English Prime Time with Julie Baby. Now the news in details. On 3rd of January, KSA Gandhipur unit was formed at Gandhipur Hindi LP School. The formation of the unit was undertaken by KSA Bokajan District Committee. Raju Ingling, President, KSA BDC, chaired the program, and the objective of the meeting was briefed by Desai Teron, Secretary, KSA BDC. It was informed that prior to the unit formation program, a Mimi leadership training was also organized. After a prolonged discussion, it was unanimously decided to appoint Jeep Singh Taro as the president, Mili Rongpipi as the vice president, Sonju Teron as secretary, Rupmili Teronpi as the assistant secretary, John Ingti as the finance secretary, Kabon Ingtipi as cultural secretary, Thomas Terang as office secretary, along with 12 executive members to take forward the unit in fulfilling the aspirations of the general public. Mohan Teron SGB, Mohori Teron GB Gandhipur, Horichand Teron GB, Bali Teron Jilangso GB, Suren Teron Gandhipur Market Committee, Babu Teron Social Activist, Hemari Teron, Khorsing Teron, Rening T, and several dignitaries attended the event. Anand Terang's report from Bokajan for KAL English Live. Joyram Ingling officially granted as the certified village headman in a traditional way through Jugendra Ingling, hubby of Umaha Rapati. On 3rd of January, Joyram Ingling was officially granted as the appropriate village headman of Kutepi village under West KAL English district. The rituals were performed under the supervision of Jugendra Ingling, hubby of Umaha Rapati. He was certified and felicitated as a village headman with the Karbi souvenir poho.
Alang li phan pini pithi piding nang koke alang li akorte akleng abang ke bang bekon oksu chui dam lo ba chiwo yu lo la si pini puthot alang li phan la su pithi piding abang ke nang so deli tunga jutang ju bara long ta an so se rong rup kachari poni.
Followed by performing traditional rituals at the event, the fortune of the village headman was also believed to be satisfactory.
Chomasa long ria bortmen long parato bortmen long ria hamai long ria basa po long ki duni tirok ni sini supong king thang lo mar king thang.
Mohan Teron's report from Kirani for KAL English Live. On 3rd of January, during a routine checkup at Dokmoka, under Dokmoka police station, a huge quantity of illegal tramadol capsules and codeine relax CD was seized from a truck coming from Guwahati and heading towards Imphal. The search operation was led by Sonat Kumar Modoy, OC of Dokmoka police station, under the supervision of Nayan Muni Burman, additional SP crime branch. It was informed that during the routine checkup of vehicles at Dokmoka, a truck bearing registration number NL01AC 3022 loaded with ORSL apple and orange drinks while heading towards its destined location Imphal was intercepted at Dokmoka police checkpoint in suspicion of carrying illegal goods with them. The truck was searched rigorously and recovered huge quantity of illegal capsules and syrups from the truck. Nayan Muni Burman, additional SP crime branch, while speaking to us, informed that the contraband seized during the seizure comprises of 70,000 capsules of tramadol and 4,900 bottles of codeine relax CD syrup. The drivers of the truck confirmed that the truck was dispatched from Guwahati and was on their way to the destined location in Imphal. Samsung test report from Dokmoka for KAL English Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a great day.